All right, got this WERA Tools TORX screwdriver set. It's my first set of WERA tools, or first anything I buy from them. So let's open it up and take a look. Well, actually first let's take a look at the box here. This is a German tool brand. WERA be a tool rebel. Let's see what they say about them. Ergonomics, holding function, because they hold the screw in pretty good. Anti-roll off. And here's all the screwdrivers it comes with. And the tool company, and this set in particular is made in Czech Republic. Or I think it's Czechia now is what they go by. But let's open it up and take a look. Take everything out. Oh yeah, this one comes with a nice holder. Screws on there. Awesome, so we'll put that up for sure. And here are the screwdrivers. What's this? Oh, nice little decal down your toolbox. Yeah, they feel really nice in your hand, nice and soft. Feel pretty high quality. What do they say on here? WERA TORX. Serial number. Oh, nice, and the size on the top, pretty big letters or numbers. One thing I've noticed on like some of my older sets of different brands, you lose a lot of the markings, so it's hard to just grab one and see. I think that's just another, oh, it says hold function. So that's just, I guess, the brand or series of these. And again, the size right here. Okay, I'm gonna install this on the wall on top of my toolbox and then see how everything fits in there. And here it is installed on the wall here. And yeah, it's nice, you can see with all the markings on the front, you know exactly which one you're grabbing. This comes out nice. It looks like there's a spare holder here if you want to add one more set to it. So overall, I can't wait to use these. I don't have too many projects right now that need Torx, but when I start disassembling some of the other German cars that I have, here, teaser, I'm sure a lot more German tools will be needed. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to using more WERA tools in the future.